Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X95, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications from the top, do another swipe down to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a battery saver. For me it is right over here, so once you see this toggle, you want to tap on it. Now if you don't see it on this page, you can swipe to the left and hopefully you'll find it right here. Now anyway, once you see your toggle, simply press on it. It brings up a notification, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activities, some visual effects, and other high-powered features to extend battery life. So we're going to select turn on. And there we go. Now it changes the filling of the battery to like more yellowish color to signify that it is right now enabled. So there we go. And just to kind of go into the explanation, this pop-up that we had, explain it a little bit further because the explanation there was very vague. So what it means, just kind of go back to it. Hopefully it will give me the pop-up again. Nope, it doesn't. Okay. So visual effects don't really apply all that much because it's not like we have a higher refresh rate display right here. And this device is pretty slow, so it's not going to affect it all that much. It's already kind of toning down the visual effects on this device without the power saving mode. Some high-powered features, so it might lower down the processor speed to consume less power. The brightness of the display might change to be a little bit more dim, and also it might disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you don't use the device. So when it's locked like this, after a couple of minutes it could disconnect from these two networks, and then because of this you wouldn't be receiving notifications from apps that require internet connection. And just to name a few applications like that, that would be Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and plethora of other ones. So if you're experiencing that your notifications from these apps are being not delivered to you at all or delayed by like 10-20 minutes, that is usually the fault of your power saving mode. Once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by simply tapping on a toggle once again. So when it's green in here, that means that it's on. You tap on it and it switches to white, then it's off. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.